Hi teachers, are you struggling to handle difficult co-teachers? Well, you are in luck. Here, in this short reel, we will give you 5 powerful strategies to help you navigate this common workplace challenge. First, active listening. Take the time to listen to the co-teachers' concerns and frustrations. Truly understanding their perspective will lay the foundation of effective communication. Second, open communication. Engage in honest and open dialogue. Express your thoughts and concerns respectfully while encouraging your co-teacher to do the same. Effective communication is the key to finding a common ground. Third, collaboration. Look for opportunities to collaborate and find shared goals. Working together on projects or lesson planning can foster a sense of teamwork and unity, helping to bridge all gaps. Fourth, self-care. It is important to take care of yourself amidst these challenging situations. Practice self-care techniques like deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, and seeking support of colleagues and mentors. Fifth, celebrate success. Acknowledge and celebrate small wins. When you and your co-teacher overcome challenges and achieve positive outcomes together, it strengthens your working relationship. For more such reels, follow upEducators.